Okay, now let's see this question. This question came in GATE 2014 for 1 mark. The question is, a priority queue is implemented as a max heap. Initially it has 5 elements. The level order traversal of the heap is given 10, 8, 5, 3, 2. This is the level order traversal. So firstly we will try to create the max heap which has this level order traversal. Okay, so the max heap will look something like this: 10, and then they are saying 8, 5, 8, 5, and then 3, 2, and then 3, 2. Okay, so obviously the binary tree structure has to look like a complete binary tree where it will be left filled, where the row which is empty, it will be left filled. So it is the structure of the max heap as of now with the 5 given elements: 10, 8, 5, 3, 2. Okay, now they are saying that two new elements 1 and 7 are inserted into the heap in that order. So firstly 1 is inserted and then 7 is inserted. What we have to do is that whatever the new max heap will be found after the insertion of these two elements. So initially 5 elements and these two elements, overall 7 element max heap, the final max heap. We have to find the level order traversal of that final heap. Okay, let's start. So firstly we are going to insert 1. So 1 will be inserted here. Okay, so whatever the next slot is available, there the new key is inserted with the condition that if it violates the max heap property, then we adjust the max heap and fix it as per the condition criteria of max heap. So here when we insert 1, then it does not violate max heap property. That's why we don't have to do anything. What about 7? Once we insert 7, and 7 will be inserted here. Now it violates the property of max heap, because we can clearly see here that in this pair we can clearly see that since it is a max heap, so 7 should be here and 5 should be here. Okay, and we have to keep on doing this till the max heap property is satisfied. So actually this will be changed to, so initially 10, 8, 3, 2, this will be as it is. And what we are talking about, that at this place whatever was there, it's okay, 1 is still here, but we are going to change 5 and 7. Okay, so in order to satisfy the max heap property, we are going to keep 7 here and 5 here. So basically we are swapping 7 and 5. And after swapping, what we have to do, we have to again see whether the new heap, new form data structure is still a max heap or it violates the property of max heap. So now we again have to check between 10 and 7, and now it is okay. So 10 is bigger than 7 and it should be above 7 in max heap, so that is okay. So actually this is the final max heap which we should get after the insertion of two new elements, that is 5 elements and 2 elements. So overall 7 elements are here. Now we have to find the level order traversal and choose the correct answer. Okay, so level order traversal is basically 10, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1, 5. So 10, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1, 5. So basically A is the correct answer in this case.